Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to your own channel, Fundamentals of Engineering. You can subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. Today, we are going to see how to find out the cube of any number. So, in this lecture, we are going to find out the cube of two-digit number, and here we are going to solve this or finding out the cube within a shortcut. You will get your answers within 10 seconds. So for this we are going to use 3 steps, as we are going to find out the cube, that is. So there we are going to see the 3 steps, step 1, step 2 and step 3. Based on that you will get your answer, which will be in the question mark. So this shortcut trick you can use to any kind of exams. And just like we have find out the square by using universal trick, this is the same or near about the same shortcut trick we are going to find out to get the cube of any number. So friends, we'll start to find out the cube of any number. So to finding out the cube of any number, we have to know what are the cubes from 1 to 10. So for better understanding, I return the cubes from the number 1 to 10. So you can check it and you can by heart this, because these are very much required whenever you are finding out the cube of any missing number. So I had written all these, but you have to by heart, like 2 cubes 8, 8 cubes of 5 and 2. That's why you need to by heart this number. So here we will see how to find out the cube of any number. So we have to use 3 steps. Based on that we are going to find out the cube of any number. So for example, I will take the cube, or will find the cube of 17. So find out the 17 cube, we are going to use 3 steps. So first step is whatever the first digit, that cube we have to write down. So 1 cube is 1. So you can see here I written all the cubes. Then in the last, whatever the second number, that cube we need to find out. So 7 cube, what is that? 343. Right. So I return 2 numbers. Next, this is the first step. Next step, what you have to do? Whatever the number we are having, first number, we have to take square and multiply with the second number. Square of first number multiply with the second number. So 1 square 1 multiply with 7, we are getting 7. Then whatever the second number, you have to take the square and multiply with the 1. So 7 square 49 into 1, we are getting 49. Right. So here we got this 4 number. Next step, that is a step second, what you have to do? Whatever the middle numbers are there, that is 7 and 49, you have to double it. So 7 double is 14 and 49 double is 98. So we got this number. Now just you have to add this number. So you can, for the reference, in the below of this 1 and 343, you can write down 0 and you have to do the addition. So 343 plus 0, we are getting 343. 49 plus 98, what we are getting? 98, 7, 9 4s are 13 and 1 14, and 14 plus 7 21, and 1 plus 0 1 we are getting. So here we complete the second step. Now third step, we are getting directly the cube number. So how we are getting? We have to take the last digit of every this number, last digit. So 3 I have written. So remaining is 34. Just you have to add here. Just you have to add. So 7 plus 4, what we are getting? 1, 11. 3, 4 plus 3, carry this one, 8 and 1. So whatever the 181 we are getting, the last digit we have to take. So I have taken 1. So 18 will be carry here and we have to add. So 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3. This 9 we have to take. Then whatever the 3 we are getting, 3 we have to carry here. 3 plus 1, 4. That 4 will be here. So you can check by using your calculator. That is the cube of 17. 4913. So we have followed 3 steps. Based on that, we have find out the cube of this 17. So again we take another example to find out the cube of this 41. Simple step. What we have to do? First you have to take the square of this number. First number 4 square 64 and 4 cube, that is 64, and 1 cube, that is 1 we have written. Then square of this number 4 square 16 into second number 1, that we are getting 16. 1 square 1 into 4, that we are getting 4. Now whatever the middle numbers are there, we have to double it. So 16 2s are 32 and 4 2s are 8. For the reference I written 0 here. Then you have to add this number. So 1 4 plus 8 12, 16 plus 32 we are getting 48 and 64 here, right? So that is the second step. Now what you have to do? Take the unit digit. So I have taken 1 here, then this unit digit 2. So this 1 will be carry here and it will be added in here. So 49. So you have to take 9. Then whatever this 4 you have to carry here and we have to add. So 68. So any number is not behind against this. So I will take 68. So 68921 is the cube of 41. By the calculator you can use it, but in the exam the calculators are not allowed. So you have to believe in your shortcut trick to get answer and to verify the answer. By using the cube root we will see the shortcut trick. So based on that also you will get, or you can cross verify the answer. We'll take another example to find out the cube. Suppose the same numbers are there and we have to find out the cube. So first step, we have to take the cube of first number, that is 8. Then cube of second number 8. First number square into 2. 2 square is 4 into 2 8. 2 square 4 into 8. Whatever the middle numbers are there, we have to double it. So 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 0 0. Then you have to add. So 8 plus 16 24, 8 plus 16 24, and this will be 8. So we have to take last digit. So 8 we have taken, then we have taken 4, 2 will be carry here, 24 plus 2 is 26, 6 will be taken, 2 will be carry here. So 8 plus 2 10. So 10 I will written here. So 10648. You can see within 10 seconds I am getting that answer, right? So we will take another example to find out the cube, and that we have written on the thumbnail. And to find out the square by using a base method and universal trick, that video we are already prepared. You can check the I section or you can check the description box for that video link. If you like this content, you can subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get more notification. You can share this content if you like with your friends. So we'll take another example to find out the cube. 3 steps. First numbers cube we have to take. 5 cube we have written here 125. Then whatever the second number we have to take cube. So 7 cube is 343. Right. Then first number square multiply with 7. So 5 square 25. Into 7, what we are getting? 175. Second number square into first number. 7 square 49 into 5. So 49 into 5, 45, and this we will get 245. Then whatever the middle numbers are there, we have to double it. 245 plus 245 or into 2, we are getting 490. You can check it. And 175 plus 175, 34 plus 50, that 340 plus 10, we are getting 350. Then 0 here. Now we have to add this number. So we are getting to the second step. So 3 4 3 5, 9 plus 4 13, carry will be here, 4 plus 2 plus 1 7, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12, carry will be here, 3 plus 1 plus 1, what we are getting, 5, and 125 plus 0 125. Now last digit we have to take. So first will be 3 here, then 34 will be carry here, then we have to add 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 3 6, right, then 3 plus 3 6 we are getting, and 7 here. So last number 9, 76 will be carry here. 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 2 plus 1 10, and 60. So 1 will be carry here, will be the return, and 60 will be carry here. So 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 2 8, and 1. So 185 again taken here directly, 185. So we are having the cube of 57, 185 193. So you can check by using your calculator, but remember in the exam the calculators are not allowed. We have to believe in our whatever the tricks we are following. So hope you all like this video to find out the cube of any number. If you like it, subscribe our channel, stay connected for more videos. For that you need to click on bell icon, and if you like this content you can share with your friends. Thank you very much.